Hello students, last class we studied the service provided by internet and the internet protocols. Today let us study types of internet connection. Types of internet connection. The type of internet connection depends on the internet service provider. So the type depends on the internet service provider, the provider who provides the internet services, that is it is shortly called as ISP in our area. So depends on the type of the internet, depends on the provider in our area. He may provide how the service provided by the provider of that particular area. Internet service provider or ISP is a company that provides internet access to the user or subscribers. So this ISP is a company, so these people provides the internet to the users or subscribers. BSNL, Airtel, Reliance, ACT Act are the examples of ISP in India. So these are the ISPs, that is internet service providers. These are the internet service providers in India, that is BSNL, Airtel, Reliance and Act. Next, dial-up. This is generally the slowest type of internet connection. So this dial-up, it is the slowest, very slow internet connection. Dial-up internet uses the phone line. So this dial-up, it uses the phone line, that is the cable, phone cable, and so we will not be able to use the landline and the internet at the same time. So this will use the cable wire of which we use for telephones, that is landline phones. So simultaneously we cannot use both the mobile as well as the internet in this dial-up. Next, DSL. DSL stands for Digital Subscriber Line. DSL stands for Digital Subscriber Line. It is a technology for the high-speed broadband transmission of digital information over standard telephone lines. So this is a technology for high speed. In the dial-up, it is the slowest, right? So this DSL is used for high speed of transmission of digital data using telephone lines. DSL connects to the internet via phone line. That's the same. It connects through the phone line, but we can use internet and phone line at the same time. So at present we are using this DSL for your Wi-Fi modem. We use this DSL so that we can use both the telephone, the landline telephone, as well as the internet. The difference is dial-up and DSL is simultaneously we can use both telephone and internet, but in dial-up we cannot use both simultaneously. Either we can use telephone or internet at one time. Next, cable. Cable service connects to the internet via cable TV. It uses a broadband connection and can be faster than both dial-up and DSL service. So this cable service, it connects the internet through cable TV. It is the faster than both this dial-up as well as DSL. Both DSL and cable internet connection requires a device called modem. Modem means modulator, demodulator. So these both DSL and cable, these two requires a device for connecting internet, that is called modem, modulator, demodulator. to connect the computer to the telephone lines or cable. So here we said simultaneously we can use both the telephone as well as internet. So when you need to connect that internet to your computer, you need a device, that is the modem. A modem converts digital signal generated by the computer into analog signals. So the digital signals is converted into analog signals. In this modem will convert it, which can be transmitted over telephone or cable line and transforms incoming analog signals into digital signals for the computer. So these modems, it will convert digital into analog by the computer when it is giving us output, but when it is taking as an input, the computer is taking as an input, this modem will convert the analog signals into digital signals when it has to give to the computer. To share a single internet connection between multiple computers and device, a device called router is used. Router can be wired or wireless. So when you have to connect the one internet with more than one computer, we use a device called router. It can be wired or wireless. So see here. So this is the cable or the DSL modem. This is a cable or DSL modem. This modem is used for connecting the internet, and this is the telephonic, that is phone line. This is the phone line. It is connected to modem. This modem, when you have to connect more than one device, we use this router. It may be wired or wireless. It connects, see, this is wired connection to the PC, and router, it is wireless when it is connected to the wireless laptop. This is the wired PC, that is personal computer. So next, satellite. A satellite connection uses broadband but does not require cable or phone lines. So this satellite is also used for connecting broadband, that is for larger distance, which does not require phone lines or any cable wires. It connects to the internet through satellites orbiting the earth. So this satellite will connect to internet through satellite orbiting the earth. Satellite connections are also usually slower than DSL or cable. So this is not so fast internet connection. It is a bit slower than DSL or cable. Satellite connection figure. Here the network operator center is there. This is the satellite in orbit. It has a connection to network operation center. This will give you internet to the antenna. Satellite modem connects to the PC. So this satellite modem will connect to the PC. The internet is given to the network operation center. These people has the network operation center. They will send to satellite in orbit. So from there to the antenna, which is at the top of your house, the internet is passed to this and connected to your PCs. 3G and 4G. 3G and 4G services are most commonly used with mobile phones. So 3G and 4G, we say 3G SIM, 4G SIM, or 3G phone, 4G phone. So these services are used in the mobile phones, and it connects wirelessly through your ISP's network. So it does not require any cable, it is connected through wireless. However, these types of connections aren't always as fast as DSL or cable. So even these 3G or 4G, it is not as fast as DSL and cable. There is also a limit on the amount of data we can use each month. That is, like, according to your pack. For in your Airtel pack, you may have 2 GB per day, or if you pay more, you'll have like 3 GB, 4 GB per day. So there is a limit for each month. Okay, thank you, students.